What is up guys, this is Dr. Hamis Tech. Today we'll be checking out the S20 Plus. I just got this here in Malaysia and it was just released I think about a week ago. I was waiting for it to be released in the store so I can actually check out between the Plus version and the Ultra. And the reason why I went for the Plus version was because that I actually found that the photos taken on the Plus was nicer to look at compared to the Ultra. So I actually went for the Plus version and here it is. Over here in Malaysia, we actually got the Exynos 990 version, just like in the UK. You can see right here there's no 5G, so it's just 4G unless you get the S20 Ultra here. So we're going to test it out and want to see it, and I'll be making videos comparing their speeds with my current phone, which is the OnePlus 6. I also have the S10 Plus in my family, so I'll be using that to compare, and we'll be probably taking a few photos, taking a few videos, and just compare how much of an upgrade this phone is compared to their previous phones. So we're just going to open this up right here. Over here you can see that there is the book over here. So as typical Samsung fashion, you get a quick start guide and you get a free case. So this is the phone. It's a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED screen, and the improvements here they made is the fact that it's now 120 Hz. There is no option from what I know for 90 Hz, so 120 Hz is what you get at normal HD. You can go up to Quad HD, but you're not going to get the 120 Hz. It will be stuck at 60 Hz. So first of all, I would say this is a 6.7-inch phone, and compared to my OnePlus 6 with my case on it, it feels about the same. It's not too bad. It's pretty heavy. I'm not too sure how many grams it is. I think it's about 186 grams. So it's not too bad. It doesn't really feel too big for me, to be honest. It feels pretty good over here. Surely it would be nice to watch my Netflix and all that on this. And opening this up, you get their fast charging. To be honest, I've been using a OnePlus 6 and that comes with their good charger, so that comes about 20 watts. This is about 25 watts if I'm not wrong. Only the S20 Ultra comes with a 45 watt fast charging, but the cable you have to get it yourself. This I'm guessing is the cable for it to charge, the USB-C, and there are AKG headphones which is USB-C connected. So we put this at the side and we check out the phone. We're just going to on this up. So you can see here it's powered by Android obviously, and the screen definitely looks really good here. The size looks not too bad, but yeah, like I would say it's pretty heavy for my liking. So we're gonna go onto the screen and just let me set this up. So here you go guys, this is the S20 Plus in all its glory. And I just switched on the 120 Hz. It came with a 60 Hz actually, and I was wondering how come it didn't look as smooth. And yeah, good thing I was honest with that, and I actually checked it out in the settings and changed it. And to be honest, yes, it definitely feels so much better now with that extra 120 Hz. It makes the phone look much better and feels much more smooth. And on the back as well, you can see it's very nice finish. You have that rainbow shade color thing. And yeah, it is Corning Gorilla Glass 6 on the back and on the front, so it's pretty durable, but I wouldn't want to drop it if I were you. And yeah, the screen really looks very good. The color all looks pretty awesome. And there is a dark mode on this. This comes in, of course, with Android 10, so don't worry about it. It's all on the latest. I do hope in the future that Samsung will continue to update all their phones from previous models. That is one thing that Samsung kind of lacks. So I will be testing out this phone as well on other things. So on the front here, you can actually see there is a single camera setup here on the selfie camera. It is a 10 megapixel wide camera, so it's pretty good. It can do, if not mistaken, to 160 frames at 3060 FPS or 1080p at 30 FPS. So it's pretty good. And if you go on to the back, there is a 4 camera setup. You have a 12 megapixel wide camera, a 64 megapixel telephoto, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and finally a 0.3 TOF sensor. So I'm going to test out the camera. Definitely I'm going to take more shots with this, and we're going to see how it compares to the S10 Plus, the OnePlus 6, and later on with other future models. So if you guys enjoyed the video and you want to see more about this phone, some comparisons here and there, do give a subscribe, like, or leave a comment down below. So this is Hames Tech, so peace out.